Vice President of Czech Chamber of Commerce, Mr. Ambassador, members of the Macedonian delegations, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to cordially invite you today in a morning seminar focusing on the business and investment opportunities with North Macedonia. I am so glad that we succeed for the first time to bring a delegation in such a high level from the North Macedonia, because we were trying to always attract, as the Minister of Foreign Affairs, to bring new countries to the Brno Trade Fair, which is the biggest trade fair in the Central Europe and is the second biggest in Europe after Messe Düsseldorf, to open some new opportunities to do business with countries at this moment with the West Balkan. I had the opportunity myself to visit North Macedonia. We had several meetings. It was the preparation visit to the visit of our Prime Minister, who visit North Macedonia later on before the summer. And we discussed several opportunities how we can strengthen our relationship. First of all, I'm so glad that Czech Parliament approved and ratified the accession of North Macedonia to NATO, which happened in September this year. Next week there will be a very important discussion in Brussels about opening a negotiation with the North Macedonia and Albania to enter the European Union, and North Macedonia has very strong support from the Czech government. But of course we would like to offer our help to North Macedonia in modernization of their industries. We currently negotiating the main investment project, which is the local CZ. They are planning to invest close to Skopje, but yesterday when we had the meeting with Deputy Prime Minister Havlíček, we also discussed possibility to start collaboration in the field of defense, in the field of agriculture, because North Macedonia is a very important producer of high quality vegetables and other agriculture products. It means our main target is open the European market for their production and to bring them to European Union. But also the field of transportation and energy are quite interesting for the Czech companies. It means I hope that today seminar and participation of several Czech companies today will open some new opportunities and establish new contacts between the Czech businessmen and Macedonian members of the delegation, and this could open the way for organization of another mission of the Czech business delegation to Macedonia. I would like to mention at the end that this mission is organized under the umbrella of Project of Economical Diplomacy, which is financed by the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, and with the help of Chamber of Commerce and Embassy, we were able to bring this delegation today, and we are planning, of course, to bring another Czech delegation on the base of the result of this mission to North Macedonia next year. It means from my side, I wish you really a very successful meeting to get so many new informations about economy of North Macedonia and also business and investment opportunities in this country. Thank you very much, and enjoy the seminar.